I think practice is something that you will get through this exam. I mean वो चीजें connections बनना शुरू हो जाते हैं statements को देखिए. Options change हुए लेकिन statements and pattern वही था statement. So Forum IAS has been something which has been a part of my journey.
Please give a big hand to CS Secure 26 Bank and joining as my
I vividly remember one thing before my meetings. He said this thing to me 20 days before the meetings. So he was very confident that you will definitely get an interview call and meet me once you get an interview call. So he was so confident about it, and especially the answer writing thing during the current affairs classes. So I think that thing benefited me a lot. And I was also a part of the interview guidance program. So Forum IAS has been something which has been a part of my journey. This was my 4th attempt, and in my earlier 3 attempts, I could not clear prelims stage. So one thing that I've realized over the years is that the role of previous year question papers, especially in the prelims, I think you cannot clear prelims until and unless you analyze the PYQs very, very well. I mean the options, the questions, the themes, and you prepare on those lines. So number 2 thing is the mock test, I mean the practice thing. Even if it is at the prelim stage or the main stage or the interview, I think practice is something that you will get through this exam. So that is the thing, and even in answer writing, and so limiting the resources, that is very, very important. What happens is that prelims is going to be on 16 June, so now the entire market is flooded with a lot of current affairs. And what happens is that we get insecure कि ये पढ़ लिया लेकिन अगर उसमें से क्वेश्चन आ गए तो so it's very, very important to know कि कहाँ पर रुकना है आपको current affairs में. And starting with just one book, just refer to one book and PYQ solve and mock tests. I think these are the pillars for prelims के लिए. PYQs मैंने हमेशा ignore किए. I used to do it कि ठीक है question पता चल गया, answer पता चल गया, that's it. But this time I think 2011 onwards, so I was doing it very, very thoroughly. बहुत ही डिटेल में, एंड ऑल्सो लुकिंग एट द PYQs डेली, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पैटर्न, ताकि वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में चले जाए. एंड उस प्रेशर कंडीशन में स्पेशली दिस ईयर प्रीलिम्स वाज समथिंग जो 5 मिनट में देख के समझ आ गया था, द पैटर्न्स चेंज्ड एंड एवरीथिंग. बट इफ यू हैव एनालाइज्ड द PYQs, सो आई मीन वो चीज़ें कनेक्शंस बनना शुरू हो जाते हैं स्टेटमेंट्स को देखिए. ऑप्शंस चेंज हुए लेकिन स्टेटमेंट्स एंड पैटर्न वही था स्टेटमेंट. So PYQs is something जिसने मुझे help किया. GS2 I got 125, GS4 I got 127, and GS1 is 92, GS3 is 94, and option is 282. Essay I think 100 marks.
चलो ठीक है, but you still have gotten the rank.
So I'm satisfied.
That is, say the journey. ठीक है. So let us all give her a big hand.